Welcome back, everybody.
Hi,
And today we are throwing
Ruby Gillman, the Teenage Kraken.
Ruby Gillman, the Teenage Kraken. Here we go.
Okay, let's do it.
So we're going to start up here. She's a very tall character.
Yes,
So we're going to start up here in the middle.
yes.
And we're going to start with her hair. We're going to make that our starting point. So from the center, we're going to draw some hair going out towards the side. And we mimic that the side. We do the same thing the side. Okay. And now we're going to draw a little line going there and another one that side. You got that?
Yes.
We draw two arches on that. And that's her eyes. And now we can fill in her pupils. You got that? She's got two little lines for eyebrows.
And eyelashes.
And she's got some eyelashes going out from the sides. And you're going to do it that side as well. Okay. So now we draw a big smile. Yeah, that's that. So follow me and watch this. We draw another line coming out here. And we make that one strand of hair, one tuft of hair rather. And we do it on the other side again. Some more hair coming out
Yes.
here. Now she's got this little flappy looking mermaid ears.
That.
Like it looks like a fin.
Yes, but in the movie the mermaid are evil.
Oh, the mermaid's evil.
Yes.
Okay. So
Kraken are good and the mermaid are evil.
Krakens are good and mermaids are evil. Okay, and we draw her neck. And we just stop it there. We close it off there. Yep. And now we're going to draw some more hair, but we can bring it all the way. So we can bring it from there and we bring it behind that ear and we just bring it like that. See? Yeah. And we can continue from that line to the other side. So her ear still shows. And we draw it like that.
Done.
And there we have Ruby Gillman's face.
Yes.
Okay, so what do we do now, Easy?
What are you two daughter?
Oh, did I forget little reflections in it? Oh man.
That's what we make little happy attitude.
Yeah, we don't make mistakes, we make little happy accidents.
Yeah, I do that. We might to put here, but that I.
Okay, so now we have the face. And now we're gonna ask everybody at home to please like
Do subscribe.
and do subscribe. So everybody get to it, please. So everybody is now busy liking and subscribing.
Yes.
We give them a minute and now we can continue. So Ruby Gillman, her torso, her body is small compared to her legs. The legs is going to take a lot of the space. So she's got this jersey on, this jumper, and we make 3 lines like that. 3. Yeah, you got it. That's the collar over top. And just before we add arms in, we're going to come over here, just below, just wider and below, and we're going to draw 2 lines like that. You have it?
Yes.
And we're going to draw a little slightly curved line down there. And that's going to be the start of her shorts. She's wearing a little shorts, and we draw another line going down there. Now watch me. We're going to draw a semi-curved line there and another one there. And it joins in the middle. And now we can just draw a little line there to show that it's a shorts. She's got a line going there for a pocket and another line there, and that's the other pocket.
I remember in the movie, she turns her dragon and she turns her into a water.
Okay. And now
She turns her dragon.
she turned into a kraken.
Yes.
We draw a line going across for the top of her pants. And we can just draw little lines there to show the loops of the little shorts. Yeah,
Yeah, and
that's where the belt can go through.
and where is the circle dot?
Where's the what? The zipper start.
No, the yellow one. You know, the button.
The button. Oh, you can make a button. Or you don't have to. If it's small, then you can add the button. Make a little circle. Don't know if you're gonna get the button in there.
Got it.
You got it. Okay. So now watch me here down here. Just this bottom part of a pants is folded up. It's rolled up. So you get that. You got it. And now we are going to draw a little arm shape just going out and coming back in. So just that and back in. You got it? And that and back in again on the opposite side. Now, from the collar, you draw out the shoulder. You got that distance?
Yeah.
And now we add it all the way around. Her hands. Yeah, she's standing with her hands behind the back.
Yes.
Here we go. Okay, so now she's got really long legs and big boots.
Yes.
So from the center here, we're going to just watch me. This line is coming straight down, and then the other line is just about joining it, and it just looks like a Y shape coming from the top there.
Same.
And now this other leg is coming down all the way. And this one is doing the same. You got it? Okay, so now she's got this ruffled up socks. See what I got there?
Yeah.
Okay, and now very carefully, we just need to watch this. I'm drawing a line down here, down the middle, just there.
Yeah.
And we draw a line going out that way.
Outline this.
And another line going out that way.
Yeah.
It's a big boots. And now we draw the front of a shoe. You got it? Yours is looking a bit wonky. It's fine, it's fine. So the front of a shoe and another one on this side, the other shoe. And from here, we are going to draw a line just down there. Just slightly down.
Okay.
And the other line also slightly down there.
Yeah.
And we can actually take this line up here and make another part of the sock there. Just make a little shape in there. That's correct. And now we are going to draw. I wonder if I should fill it in or out. No. We're drawing a little line going like that.
Yeah.
And like that on the opposite side.
Yeah.
And we repeat it. Just 2 more of those. Okay. And now we fold this line in just like that. So now it looks, that's her shoelaces on her boots. And we draw another line like that.
Yeah.
And another line like that.
Yeah.
And one more line going like that. And another line going like that. Okay. So now all we need to do now is just add another bit to this that can be left open like that, because that's the soles of her boots.
Yeah, what about...
What's wrong now? Her legs got stockings got stripes on it.
Yes.
But you can decide if you want to do that. Are we gonna color it, make the lines now and just?
Yes.
Okay. So Ruby Gillman stockings, her leggings rather.
Yes.
It's got random stripes happening. So you can make a wide band, then a short band, then a wide one. You can do it the way you want to. And you'll notice that the opposite side doesn't quite match. So we throw many there.
Done.
And it's not... Are you done? And there we have it. And there we have it, everybody. That's Ruby Gillman,
Yeah, we had to make the dragon form.
the teenage Kraken. Oh, you
Oh
want to
yeah,
do
yeah, don't do that.
You want to do a Kraken form at some point?
Yes.
Okay, but now, what do we do now?
Don't do that.
Okay, you want people in there?
Yes.
No, I'm just gonna cut them. I'm gonna leave mine. Okay, so
Ruby, money.
what do we need? We need green, we need
Yes.
purple,
Yes.
and we need some blues.
Yes.
So you
And
can-
dark blue.
And dark blue. So let's grab all the blues.
But I follow the top one. Her hair.
Okay, I'm gonna go with the green. Okay, you can color. You can go. And there we have it, everybody.
Yes.
Ruby Gillman, the teenage Kraken.
Yes.
Thanks for watching. Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos.
Yep.
Be good
And have fun.
and have fun.
Bye.
Nice.